Hey guys, have you ever wished you could enjoy your favorite Spotify playlist without having to pay the full price for premium? Well, today I'm about to share with you a secret hack that will help you get Spotify for cheap. And no, we're not stealing anything, just using some clever hacks with a VPN. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let me take you on a journey of savings that will have you singing your favorite tunes for way less. Let's dive in. So, before we jump right in, let's talk about what a VPN actually is. And don't worry, I'm not going to throw any tech gibberish at you. A VPN is basically a way to connect to the internet as if you were in another country. In our case, the land of cheaper Spotify Premium. Think of it as your internet passport to savings. Now, you'll need a VPN to make this work. There are many VPNs out there, but for me, ExpressVPN is the best choice because it's easy to use and very reliable. Honestly though, any reputable VPN will work. Just make sure it's trustworthy. Okay, so once you have your VPN, let's set it up. Download the VPN app and install it on your device. Open it up and connect to a server in a country where Spotify is cheaper, such as India, Turkey, or Argentina. These countries offer Spotify Premium for way less. If you didn't know, Spotify offers regional pricing, using which its premium subscription can cost only $2 or $3 per month in countries like Nigeria, Turkey, or India. Now here's the fun part. Go to the Spotify website or app and sign up. Make sure you're connected to the VPN server. This way, Spotify will think you're in that country and will show you the discounted price. After that, pick a subscription plan that you want. I recommend using the family plan if you have other friends or family members. This way, you get all the premium features for a fraction of the actual cost. Now, when it's time to pay, your regular card may not work because it's from a different region. No worries though. You can either use PayPal or get a Wise account and use one of their virtual debit cards. That should let you pay for things using any address. And it works internationally. It's simple and will save you a lot. And that's it, my friend. You're now ready to enjoy Spotify Premium for cheap without leaving your couch. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. If this video saved you some cash, give it a like and subscribe for more money saving tips. Let's make the most out of our favorite apps without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching and go enjoy some ad-free music.